Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Oppo Reno 7 Lite smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can turn on the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. First of all, that's exactly how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. From here you gotta go to the keyboard settings by either tapping on this gear icon, or you can also just open up the settings app, scroll down and find the system settings. Go for the keyboard and input method. Here choose what keyboard is currently in use. In my case and by default it's always going to be the Gboard, and tap on it. So here we have the settings page of the Gboard keyboard. Go to the preferences, and all that is left to do for us is to turn on the number row switch, and as you will see now that will effectively mean that we have successfully enabled the separate number row. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.